in this question, since the derivative of 1 plus cos x is minus of sin x, which is available in the expression, given expression, so here I can use the substitution methods. So first I just write the question. So if I use substitution method, let's substitute 1 plus cos x equals to t, then its derivative will be minus of sin x dx equals to dt. So in the numerator we are given sin dx, so sin x dx equals to minus of dt. Now I can substitute the value of t and 1 plus cos x and sin x dx in the question. The integration will transform into minus of dt by t square, and I can calculate the dt by t square, integration of dt by t square, which will be equal to minus of t power minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus c. C is the integration constant. So our answer will be 1 by t plus c, and now I can put the value of t. This will be our final answer.